From Standard 8th Science subject lesson number 2 Health and Disease. In the previous video we have seen the infectious diseases. We have seen some major types of infectious diseases, their mode of infection, symptoms and how to prevent them, and the pathogen that causes them. After this, there is a diagram in your book. This diagram it shows at the center there is a mosquito, and then surrounding the mosquito there are some things, objects that we use daily, their condition. That means with the help of this diagram they are trying to tell you that majority of infectious disease means which can spread very easily. Many infectious diseases they spread through mosquito bite or through housefly. When housefly sits on some dirty thing, it can carry that virus or bacteria, and if that same fly sits on our food, or that mosquito sits on our food or water or bites us, then we get such infectious diseases. So what are the places in which the mosquito can be found? The flower pot. On the flowers, it should be kept clean frequently. It should not be kept undisturbed. Then places where garbage is thrown, those places should not be open or nearby your house. Containers in which water can get stored, such containers should not be kept in open place, or it should be taken into consideration that no water is filled and kept. Like for example, there's a drum which is open and water is filled in it. There's a tire. In this tire there is some hollow space inside, so rainwater can come and get filled in inside that space. And such places are very good conditions for mosquitoes to grow and survive. Next, in this lesson, we are going to discuss about some diseases which are very common in present days, which very happen with very commonly, and these are infectious diseases. The first example of such disease is dengue. Dengue spreads through mosquito bite. Mosquitoes lay eggs in waterlogged places. Waterlogged means where water is stored. At such places, mosquito grow and lay eggs, and hence increase in number. Then, especially there is a species, a type of mosquito, Aedes aegypti. Name of the species is Aedes aegypti. This species of mosquito spreads uh, dengue. Aedes aegypti is a species of mosquito that spreads dengue. Then flavivirus. There is name of a virus called flavivirus. It's a group of virus. From this group, there is one particular type of virus named as Den-14 virus. The dengue is actually caused because of this Den-14 virus. This Den-14 virus grows inside the body of this Aedes aegypti mosquito. So this mosquito will carry this virus inside its body, and when it will bite us, this virus enters into our body and it starts spreading, causing dengue. What are the symptoms of dengue? What happens in dengue? Acute fever means very high fever and very strong headache, vomiting, pain in the eye sockets. The bones which are around the eyes, those bones pain, and they pain very strongly. It can be realized by the patient, so it's a very prominent symptom. Decrease in platelet. Our blood is made up of blood cells, plasma, platelets. So the amount of platelet in our blood becomes very less, and hence we become it leads to internal hemorrhage. Hemorrhage means lack of blood, and when platelets become less, our immunity also becomes less.